Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I just want to make a quick salad with you because it's the summertime, and sometimes you really don't need to be doing all the cooking in the summer. Maybe you just want a salad, okay? So some of the suggestions that I'm going to give to you for a salad is, let's say you cook some chicken breast and you have some left over. Cut that up and save it for a night where you can have salad, because you could just put that on top of your salad and there you go, you have it, okay? Or in my case today, I'm going to be using walnuts. You know, walnuts are very, very healthy for you, and if you add that to your salad, you can definitely benefit from that. You should look up the benefits of walnuts. Maybe I'll do that one day, okay? And let's see, what else? Okay, so what can you put on a salad? Oh my goodness, just about anything. You can put cheese on there, beans, Brussels sprouts, any type of vegetable, any meat that you have. We can just go on and on and on, okay? But we'll stop there and let's make my salad for today, okay? I cooked a bacon burger in the previous setting before this, so you can go check that out. And now I'm just going to have this salad to go with it, okay? Alright, stay tuned. Let's make the salad. You and I. Okay, so I have some lettuce here already cut up. Any kind of lettuce you like is fine. So we're just going to put that right in the middle. That's the beginning of what we're going to do. And you want to just make it really pretty, because if you make it pretty, then people will like to eat it more. So you see how I'm not just throwing it in there. I'm kind of putting it all around the edge. Make sure you make it nice and pretty, okay? Because we eat with our eyes, right? Okay, and that was about a quarter of a lettuce. Okay, this is actually 1/2 of a tomato. So let's put that red color right in the middle. Okay. Now I have an orange so that we can have our fruit. Okay. Let's put our orange around the edge on the outside. So it kind of, you got the green, you got the orange, and then you got the, well, oranges cut up, and then you got the cucumber, which is green, and the tomatoes, which is red. So you see where I'm going with this, right? Okay, and let me let you take a look at that. Look at that. Isn't that nice? This is just one orange, a half of a tomato, a quarter piece of cucumber, and a handful of lettuce. Okay? Okay, so now we have our walnuts. This is the last thing we're going to add. So let's see. Let's put the walnuts right in the middle so that you can definitely see some walnuts is there. Look at that. Wow. I would say the whole thing was 15 minutes from cutting everything up and making it. Now, when someone looks at that, they would really like to eat that because it looks appetizing, correct? Hey, there we go. Okay, so let me give you the word of the day. The first word of the day is hit that like button if you like it. Hit that like button, please. Hit that like button if you like it. Okay, I can't sing, but I tried, okay? I can sing a little, just a little. Okay, so the word of the day. This week, see if you can do something for a stranger. It doesn't matter who it is. It could be a neighbor that you never really talk to. You just sort of say hi and that's it. Or it could be someone on the street. It could be a homeless person. It could be maybe a child that you're not close to, and you know, sort of like you all are strangers because there's no communication. Maybe you could do something nice for them. Okay? See what you can do and let me know, okay? Comment and let me know what you did for somebody. Something to make them smile. Okay? There you go. That's the word of the day. And it's also an assignment. I'm going to do the same. I'll let you know, okay? I'm going to do something for a stranger. Okay, talk to you soon. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Share. Love you. Bye.